Me and the girls are about to go out for dinner. We start to realize the different things that come with working full-time job, 9 to 5. The ones who aren't working a 9 to 5, I've been there before, retired one time, had to go back to work due to the market. But for the ones who are working a full-time job, 9 to 5, super noisy. But what comes with the territory of trying to have a social life and quality time with you and your girl, or for girls with their guys, it's a lot. It's a lot that comes with the territory, trying to manage all those different areas to, I guess you could say, enjoy yourself as a human. But we try to make it happen. We're about to eat some flaming fajitas right now.
Yeah, I'll probably get the quesadilla taco. Yeah.
What are you gonna get, babe? Hey, appreciate it. Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's so good.
How was dinner for you?
It was wonderful. I'm stuffed.
You're stuffed.
I'm stuffed, yes.
Yeah, 4 tacos, man. That was a little.
And 2 margaritas.
So the market's about to get ready to open up. We already made some money off of ES at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's like 150-ish. And now we are about to scalp some. I'm looking for SPX, something simple, something cool. Gonna go from there. All right, market's about to get ready to open. All right, cool. So what we looking at? So I'm looking for the perfect setup right now. And again, I post a lot of this stuff in my alerts. So this is about to be the easiest play for the day to start a Monday. Again, we made 150-ish, something light on ES last night or this morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. And now we're about to get ready to hammer down. See, a lot of guys, a lot of traders, girls tend to FOMO when they see the market open. And I can't tell you so many times when, you know, the art of FOMOing, there's an art to this stuff. So when you're FOMOing because you see the market and the candles steadily shooting up, you know, it forces you to want to just throw your money in it because you got it. A couple of seconds, a couple of minutes of just kind of chilling out, waiting, do you just see? There's usually certain setups that the market will show that it's like repetitive, and once you can keep seeing certain patterns in the market, then you start to treat it accordingly. You just kind of, you know, wait to see what you see, and let's say, for example, you see what you see and it just so happens to do the opposite. It is what it is. But most of the time when you keep reading the same book, you may discover a few different details, but most of the time you're going to remember the story and how it went. So Apple already gave up, but I don't want Apple. I want SPX. So, and AMD gave up as well too, but I don't want AMD. I want SPX. Supercell trend right now. We are up currently 3%. Nothing crazy. Still watching work.
All right, so we hit for $500, and then like I said previously earlier, we hit for 150-ish or something like that. So in total, what, $600 or ish or something like that. So it was decent. Still played SPX. Like I said, I seen Apple AMD, but I didn't want Apple or AMD. I wanted SPX because it moves a little different. It moves better actually. A lot more riskier than Apple as well too. When I seen Apple fall, it was around 219, got all the way down to 216, so a $3 movement. So yeah, happy with the results. Now I'm about to just drink some coffee. Took Kylo out, and now we're about to just kick it. So yeah. Also, too, to leave you guys with some tips. So I would just say, just try not to force your play. Sometimes when the market is looking to make a move, whether it's going up or down, sometimes it's gonna give you a bunch of fake outs, especially if you're already in a play. It's gonna, jump back up, pop back down, depending on the direction that you're going in. My best advice is just, if you're convinced with the direction, and again, I got a lot of this stuff in my premium or on my premium website, so if you guys want to check that out, check it out. But if you're convinced on your direction, be confident, because that's the only way you're going to learn, right? Is be confident based off of what you see. And if you can't be confident, or you can't weather through the storm where the stock is going up and down, you're going to continue to keep getting faked out. And it's a big psychology game, you guys know. So yeah, overall happy with the results. And I actually took the day off as well too, so I was like, all right, took the day off, made $600. That's typically how it should be, right? When you take the day off, you see something going on in the market, you think it's going to be good. Now for the 9-to-5 guys, like myself, when you do make, what's Tesla doing? When you do make money in the market and you do your job, it's just kind of like, you're double dipping. So, but I decided to take the day off, kind of relax. Had dinner yesterday. Now we're just about to kick it and probably pick back up for work tomorrow. And I'll probably just go over some charts. It's still early too. It's 8 o'clock. So, So 600 started at 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Stop and then pick back up at 6:30. So about an hour and a half, maybe 3 hours total of work. So not bad. So yeah, hope you guys learned something. Like, comment, subscribe. 8.